Welcome to our Schlage Connect Smart Deadbolt video series. In this video, you'll learn how to add, delete, and change the length of access codes. This is the most common programming function, and it's easy. We'll show you how. Keep in mind that if you want to get the most out of your lock, we recommend pairing it with a Z-Wave or Zigbee smart home or security system. In fact, you may have noticed there are two versions of the Schlage Connect Smart Deadbolt, Z-Wave or Zigbee certified. If you aren't familiar with Z-Wave or Zigbee, don't worry. Those are just names for the type of technology the lock works with. Exact features depend on the system you have, but most systems come with a mobile app that makes it easy to control your lock from anywhere and change other settings. In many cases, the mobile app will eliminate the need to do manual programming on the touchscreen at all, allowing you to control your lock with your smartphone. And thanks to one-button enrollment, pairing the lock with your smart home or security system is as simple as pushing a single button. Refer to your system manufacturer's instructions for pairing devices to learn more. Adding and deleting access codes using the lock's touchscreen is also simple. To do this, you'll first need to locate your unique 6-digit programming code. You can find this on the back of your Quick Start guide, or if necessary, you can also find it on the back of the inside assembly of your lock. You'll need to disassemble the lock to find it. A solid backup in case you ever misplace your Quick Start guide. If you have to remove the lock to find your programming code, make sure to correctly reinstall and test your lock afterward to ensure proper operation. The default length of the access code is 4 digits. You can change the length to up to 8 digits if you prefer. We'll show you how to do this later in the video. Now that you have your programming code, press the Schlage button. Now enter your 6-digit programming code. The programming light in the lower right of the touchscreen will begin to flash, indicating you're in programming mode. Next, press the number 1 to add an access code, or the number 2 to delete a code. Then enter the access code to be added or deleted. Now enter the code a second time. If the programming was successful, a green check mark will blink twice, followed by 2 beeps. If not, a red X will blink, followed by 2 beeps. The most common errors occur when codes entered do not match, or when a user tries to add a code that is already programmed into the lock. Also, if you have trouble adding an access code and can't figure out why, make sure that the first 4 digits of the access code you're trying to program aren't the same as the first 4 digits of your programming code. Once your code creation or deletion is successful, you can press the outside Schlage button to exit programming. You can also delete all access codes at once. To do this, press the Schlage button, enter your 6-digit programming code. Now, press the number 6 and then re-enter the 6-digit programming code. Again, 2 blinks and beeps of either the green check or red X will tell you whether the programming is successful. The default length for access codes is 4 digits. But you can change this to 5, 6, 7, or 8 digits. All access codes must be the same length of digits. And if you choose to change the length of your access codes, all stored codes will be automatically deleted from the lock. To change the length of your access codes, once again, press in the Schlage button and entering your 6-digit programming code. The programming indicator light at the lower right of the touchscreen will blink to show you are in programming mode. Now press the number 8. Then, press your desired access code length of 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. Press the access code length again to confirm. 2 checks and 2 beeps indicate a successful update. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Schlage. If you need more information or to learn more about the features of your Schlage keyless lock, we are here to help. Visit us at schlage.com or call us at 888-805-9837.